Hi, I'm Ananya Pandey and I'm going to tell you what I eat in a day. And before I start the segment, I just want to say that I've watched all the actors do this and I used to watch the videos and I used to say, like, I used to answer the questions while they were answering it. So I'm super excited. I kind of am. And I keep getting trolled on Instagram for how skinny I am, but I have a really high metabolism rate, so I can't help it. But yeah, I am. I drink this juice in the morning, which is a mixture of, okay, my mom makes it, so I don't know exactly what's in it, but I'm really sure there's water and there's celery and there's other green important things, and I drink it and I have my breakfast after half an hour. So for breakfast, I have an omelette and with egg, obviously. What else would you have an omelette with? Okay. And I have a toast and with butter on it, and I have my black coffee. For lunch, I have a chicken sandwich, and for my evening snack, I have another black coffee because I cannot live without 2 black coffees a day, and I have a keto cupcake. I'm not on keto, but I just love the keto cupcakes. And for dinner, I have either chicken or salmon and soup. It really depends. If I'm shooting and I need to sleep early, then I'll probably eat my last meal at 8, and otherwise 10-ish, which is not good. You should eat your dinner early. But if I feel snacky, I also have like dark chocolate at night. Night owl for sure. But when I'm shooting, I'm an early riser. Breakfast, I love breakfast, and I'm one of those people who can't even like talk to people unless I've eaten my breakfast. So even if I'm shooting at like 5 in the morning, I'll get up at 4 in the morning, 1 hour early to just eat my breakfast because I can't speak without eating breakfast. I love Italian and I love Indian. If I worked out, I would have given an answer, but I think 12 o'clock. Post-workout meal, I either have like lunch or whatever, like my evening snack after. No, I think my diet is pretty clean already, so I don't need to do anything special, but I'm allergic to a few things. I'm allergic to rice, I'm allergic to potatoes, I'm allergic to tea, so I avoid these things if I'm shooting. I cheat once a week, but I think if you're not shooting and if you're not working, then I cheat as often as I can. But when I'm shooting and when I'm in a routine, I cheat once a week. Every single thing on this earth. I love having pancakes, I love having cookies, I love having pizza, brownies, Chinese food, everything. Butter chicken, cheese naan. Huh? I don't work out. I should be working out, but I really don't work out. I dance almost every day, and whenever I get time, I do Pilates. I get really tempted, but luckily I have no friends, so I have no one to go with. Actually, all my friends study abroad and they all study in America, so that's why when I'm shooting, I don't have that many lunches and dinners to go out to, so I don't get that tempted. My favorite healthy munchies is keto cupcake. Is it healthy? I'm on Instagram. Cardio. I don't need any more cardio, but cardio. I don't count calories. I just think having a clean diet is important. I feel like I had kangaroo once. Yeah, kangaroo meat. I think before, when I was in school and when I wasn't working, I would just eat anything. But I think now when I'm shooting, it's not like I need to lose weight, but I think just for your skin and for, like, I feel like if you're eating clean and your stomach is clean, then you just feel better. You're a lighter person and you're a happier person. So I think just...
Hi guys, this is Jacqueline Fernandez, and today I'm going to be sharing some of my beauty and fitness tips. Well, I try to work out as much as I can in the morning, you know, a lot of water, and I try and drink up as much as I can in the morning itself because I find it difficult to, you know, sustain that throughout the day. What else? A healthy breakfast. That's very important to start your day with a good healthy breakfast. But yeah, try and get your workout done in the morning because it's really difficult to go work out in the evening, for me at least. Well, yeah, I mean, like, obviously we had a beach song, so I had to control my carbs a little bit. When we did the pole dance, you know, because that was pretty intensive workout, I had to actually increase my carbs so I had enough energy to continue with the training. So yeah, diet plays an important part in an actor's life, especially in different aspects of what we're, you know, shooting. So yes, those are the 2 main adjustments I think I had to make. I have my last meal. If, you know, I'm on routine, I will have my last meal around 7 or 8. And if I'm off routine, which obviously happens in the life of an actor, it will be probably around 9:30. My favorite meal of the day is breakfast. Like, I love breakfast, and I love breakfast food, you know, so anything to do with granola and peanut butter and smoothies, pancakes. Like those are my favorite types of food. So yeah, but I always believe in having a hearty breakfast, and I think that you know, you can actually get away with a lot of calories in your breakfast, so it's fine. It's okay to cheat from time to time. Trust me, like I'm no diet angel myself, but I just think you need to be aware of when you're cheating so that you know the next day you will have to kind of either work out a little bit more or eat a little bit less, and that's what's important. I think that's actually the key. So you actually will then be more mindful about cheating next time. My favorite cheat meal?
Well, cheat meals is always pizza, burger, fries. And guilty pleasure is also generally like very simple, unless Saif sometimes very into cooking. So he likes to cook pasta, he likes to cook roast chicken. He's quite a good chef. I like poha, I like upma. Hi, this is Kareena Kapoor Khan, and I am going to tell you what I eat in a day. No. I'm a Punjabi, I'm a Kapoor, I'm a Pathan, and that just doesn't happen. Well, I believe in making the body alkaline as soon as I wake up. So as soon as I wake up, I'd have like hot water and lime. Well, I love Indian breakfasts when I'm here. So I like poha, I like upma. Sometimes I do like, of course, eggs sometimes. Well, lunch is generally like, I'm a sucker for home cooked food. I don't kind of like ordering food from out. I don't eat set food. So basically food wherever I am comes from home, which will always be like a basic sabzi, dal, dahi, that kind of thing. Very simple ghar ka khana. Well, dinner is also generally like very simple, unless Saif sometimes very into cooking. So he likes to cook pasta, he likes to cook roast chicken. He's quite a good chef. So unless he's cooking for me, it's always ghar ka khana, which is like simple khichdi or something like that. Well, cheat meals is always pizza, burger, fries. And guilty pleasure is, yeah, I enjoy a good chocolate cake.